Good evening for all listeners. Smart FM, part of Compass Gramedia Radio Network, and as usually every Tuesday 7 p.m. we have a special program with BPEC. And now tonight I'm not alone. There is a friend from BPEC. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm great.
Oh, great.
Thanks. What about you?
Oh, great also. Okay, today we celebrate actually celebrate about Happy Mother's Day.
Yeah.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. And I'm not mother.
Oh yeah, but will, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay, because today our topic is Happy Mother's Day. I think this topic is special, yeah?
Yeah, that's very
Before
nice.
we talk about the topic Happy Mother's Day, maybe you can explain or explain about BPEC itself. What is BPEC?
BPC is a place for learning English to make some friends.
Yep.
And of course, you're gonna be happy to join in BPC because I still remember at the first time when I joined in BPC
Yep.
at 2012, and you invited me. Do you still remember?
Yeah,
On
yeah,
December 2nd December.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah,
good.
that's nice
Unforgettable
place.
moment, right? But
Yeah.
by the way, who is your name? Maybe you can mention your name or you can introducing yourself to Smart FM listener.
Okay, good evening, smart listeners. My name is Mala Hayati, but everybody calls me Mala, Mala. That's it. I live in Kakatua.
Good.
Good.
I like your voice. Okay. Yeah. I think you are not alone because your friend, I'm sure, someone will come after you. Yeah. Yeah. Will join with us. Yeah. Our topic tonight is Happy Mother's Day. There are three words: Happy, Mother's, and Day. What do you think about this topic tonight?
I think it's a very nice topic.
Yeah.
Extremely beautiful to talk about it, and because mother is very special in my life. But actually, even though I didn't need to tell her Happy Mother's Day, but I think, we have to love our mother, and this is a nice topic to talk about it. And your mother will know how big is your love, but not only one day, but every day.
As we know that a mother is everything for us.
Yep, everything.
And then just now we hear the song about mother, right? How do you feel when you hear the song? How do you feel? And you know the room is cold, and how do you feel? Do you feel like something like, oh my
Mother, how are
God,
you
I
today?
miss my mom? How do you feel about that song?
About that song?
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, I have another song, Indonesian song, to make me cry. That's all
Oh.
about mom, and make me cry because that's the real song of me.
Okay.
I mean, that's for my mom.
Can you mention what the title is?
I forget, but that's it. Religion song, and that's very nice, very short, but touching my heart.
Okay. It's I mean it's deep, right?
Yep.
Very
Very
deep. And
Can make me cry.
yeah, can you how do you say can you mention maybe how the different old you between your and mom?
I cannot count. Maybe she's 56 or 57, and I'm
57.
actually
Going
I'm
to 60.
old. Yeah,
Going to 60.
no, not 60. 50. I mean, not 50. 57 or 56.
57 to going to 60, right? No. About
I don't know,
about
maybe.
yeah, about. So it means that the difference is like 20 over, right? 20, 25, 27,
my age?
over. No, between. You don't need to.
Yeah. You didn't need to mention.
You don't need to mention, but if you want to mention, it's okay. Yeah, as when we talk about mother, sometimes someone only have a single parents like mother. How a mother can how to say can handle the children even the mother is a single parent? Can you tell the experience of your mother is how your mother handle the children's? What happened to you? You want to be cry? Oh my god.
Actually, my father was passed away 10 years ago, and I was grew up. I become, when I was 22, maybe if I'm not mistaken, 22. I was 22 when my father passed away.
I'm sorry to hear that.
My mother can handle her children, but I was lucky because my mom she couldn't be busy. She wasn't busy when my father passed away because her children are how to say adult, and and at that time I was 22, but I still need my father's love because
oh my god, smart listeners. Our speaker
I didn't
is
get
crying.
my graduation before
Oh, okay.
my father.
It's okay.
My father was gone before I got my graduation.
Okay, we have the same case that our father left us, and now our mother is single parents, and I think this is a very hard to handle the children's something like that, and you can make it proud your mother with your with your business, with your what you want to do to your mother. I think your mother will be happy, and your father also in the heaven. I think. Oh my God, I get a sin because make you cry.
It's okay. I'm okay.
Welcome back to Smart FM Makassar, Smart Up Your Life. And anyway, we invite also a smart listener to join in WhatsApp and also in a YouTube channel of Smart FM. And you can watching us in YouTube channel also in Smart FM. Okay, oh, we have one speaker here just arrived. What's up?
Yeah, hello.
Hello. Are you okay? How are you tonight?
Yeah, fine.
Fine, as usual,
Yes.
right? Okay, can you introduce yourself to smart listener?
Okay, hello, smart listeners. My name is Ahmad Ariandi. You can call me Rian. Just it. Thank you.
Okay, because tonight our topic is Happy Mother's Day. Yeah, I would like to ask you, what do you think about this topic? Happy
Yeah.
Mother's Day.
Yeah, sound interesting because we talk about Mother's Day. It means that we talk our mother. Yes.
Yep.
Yeah. I think it's interesting to talk about.
Do you have unforgettable moment or experience with your mother or mom when you did activity, something like that?
I have many experience such as yeah since I was yeah my childhood,
Okay.
my mother always wake me up
Okay.
And always take care of my thing in my school, in school.
Okay.
And my mother always, yeah, always patient.
Okay. What about the special moment that happened in yourself that you cannot forget with your mother? I mean, like special moment, unforgettable moment, activity with your mom. Maybe you go outside, you're traveling, or what? What?
Yeah, unforgettable moment. Yeah.
Yeah.
I remember that my mother always accompany me in Jakarta.
Wow.
Yeah, in
Okay.
Jakarta, that I do a test at the
What
time.
kind of test?
Um, how to say, like
It's
having a job,
okay.
and I test there.
Mm-hmm.
And my mom
Always
always,
accompany you
no,
everywhere. No?
not accompany me, but uh uh but
What mom did to you that
uh
moment?
Jing, my mom accompany me,
Mm-hmm.
uh, that she
She's always
she's
support you, right? Support you
she
to
always support
having a
me.
new job.
Yeah,
Yeah.
having a new job.
Um.
Yeah, even though I failed at the time.
What about that time? Is your mom went to Jakarta also accompany you or not?
Yeah, my mom also accompany,
Accompany
because,
you.
yeah,
Okay.
because uh at the time my
Mm-hmm.
mom have a job there also.
Oh my
And
God.
yeah,
That her
and
sacrifice, right?
yeah,
Yeah, your mother has a
and
sacrifice about it.
my mom uh call my cousin that
Mm-hmm.
in Makassar at the
Mm-hmm.
time, to accompany me,
Okay.
because my mother have another job.
Oh, okay.
And
Okay. Okay.
uh she called my
Okay, I
cousin
get
to
the
come.
point. Your mom has a sacrifice, big sacrifice to you because accompany you when that moment, right?
Yes.
Okay, what about you, Mala? Move to Mala.
Mm.
Yeah. What about you? Do you have something like unforgettable moment or experience with your mother or mom?
Actually, every day is unforgettable moment for
Wow.
me
Wow.
because every
Wow.
day I always quarrel with my mom.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's every day. Just because of I'm easy to be angry. Just
Uh-huh.
because my mother always make me angry,
Okay.
and that's for me unforgettable moment for me
Wow.
every day.
That is
And
awesome.
and it's a very simple case actually. I'm lazy.
But can you try to find the specific moment that you cannot
Yeah,
forget
cannot
in your life with your
forget.
mom? I mean, like a special activity with your mom. You did it. Yeah, something like
did
that. Maybe go outside traveling, or maybe you how to say bring the groom or something like culture or what else? Something like that. What the others? Just try in your memories. What is it? What is that?
Unforgettable moment is
Yeah.
I made my mom cry.
Oh my God.
Wow. Your mom crying? Because what?
Um,
Can you explain to us? Because we are very curious and Smart FM listener also.
because how do I say?
Yeah.
Stubborn, keras kepala. I'm
Because.
stubborn
Oh,
because
stubborn.
I'm stubborn person,
Uh-huh.
and my mom it's really hard to say to tell me that you don't need to do it, and I don't like when my mom control me. Every single time, like when I was after washing my clothes, and my mom said, "Come on, you have to tidy your room. You have to
Is that
tidy
moment when you are in university student? Is that moment when you are in university student or senior high
That
school?
happened?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, when I was in university student.
Oh, I guess it. But how can you do that? You
I can
make
do that.
hurt your mom, and your mom crying that moment. Oh my God,
Honestly-
you got a cinch.
Honestly, maybe all of the children in the world,
Yeah.
they had cried their mom.
Minimize
Yes,
disappointed your mom because
How
you
to
know
minimize?
you are you say you start stubborn, right?
yeah. I'm
Okay.
stubborn.
How do you minimize it?
How do I minimize it?
Uh-huh.
Because my mother really needs money, and I earn money, and I give her
Oh, okay.
without
okay.
telling me.
Okay.
Can you give me my money?
Okay.
I give her
Okay.
without you telling me.
Okay, good, good. Okay, I get the point. That is a good idea. You're an entrepreneur woman, right?
she can be happy when she sees money. Oh my
Okay.
god.
You're very realistic. Oh my God. What about you, Mr. Brian?
What?
I mean, what what something what can you do to minimize disappointed of your mom to you, because maybe you are also stubborn and mom
I'm not
can
stubborn anyway.
Oh, really?
But I'm lazy.
oh my God. But how can you
See.
minimize that to make your mom is something like happy, something like that?
Yeah. Yeah. My mom always tell me that. How to say?
Yep.
Don't be a lazy person. But I cannot do it because. Yeah.
Why? Why? The question is
It's like me.
why?
Because. Yeah, you know that if I do nothing, I just sleep in my room
Oh my God.
and when my mom see me
And
and
what happened?
and angry with me.
Oh, how can you face it? How can you face your mother when your mother
Oh,
angry to
I
you?
just silent. When my mom get angry with
Mhm.
me, I just how to say menundukkan kepala begini.
Okay. Okay. And
and
I know what you
and be silent
Mhm.
and listening my mother angry.
even you are not follow the rule, right? Rule.
What?
Even you are not follow the rule.
Yeah.
That's correct. Yeah, me too sometimes. But as Amala say that nobody's perfect, right?
Yeah.
You, Mala, and me, nobody's perfect.
Yeah.
Even our mom not perfect.
Yeah.
But in our eyes, mom is perfect.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. When we talk about mother, how do you think about your father? Is father support your mother in every single things, everything's?
Yeah, everything.
Can you give or mention what are they?
Uh,
Support, what kind of support your father
yeah.
give to her?
Because my father is an architect and
Wow.
my mother uh is a doctor at
Wow, you are rich, Brian. Rich and Brian.
yeah, yeah. And as a support my mother worked in one of
Hospital?
no hospital
Where? The
office
office.
in Antang.
Okay.
And my father help her to how to say build the building.
Okay. Oh yeah. Wow. Good.
Yeah.
Good cooperation.
Yeah.
The other one is the architect. The other one is the mother.
Yeah.
What about in daily? In daily, how looks like them?
I think in daily,
What cooperation? What kind of cooperation they had?
yeah, nothing special, but
What about the food? How to say? Serve the food. Um,
yeah,
so,
because my mother is a busy woman.
okay.
So
You
my
have an
mother,
assistant in your
yeah,
home. I guess it.
yeah.
Yeah.
Then my mom learn my assistant to cook
Okay.
as my father's like to eat. And
They have the same hobbies.
yeah,
Oh, wow.
because my assistant also is a cooker at the past in the
Okay.
past.
Okay, good. I get the point. Um. Okay, move to because we only have as two speakers. As usually, actually, we have a 3 or 4 speakers, include me. But tonight,
Unfortunately.
yeah. Okay. Hello, guys.
Hello
Welcome
again.
back.
Welcome back.
Okay. I have a question again because we are in segment 3 now. I have a special question for you all, guys. My question is, what will you do to make happy and proud your mom? Who wants to answer first?
Maybe me.
Okay, Brian, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
How do I do with how do I do to make my
Yeah, what will you do to make happy
mom
and proud
happy,
and proud
my mother proud to me?
your mom? Okay.
Yeah, I have to like have how to say prestasi, an
Achievement. Yeah.
and I have to get a job fast because I don't have another job.
Okay. Did you get achievement before?
What?
Did you get achievement before?
Not yet.
Not yet, but you
Yeah.
will.
Yeah, I will.
Okay.
To
So,
make my mother proud.
what step do you have to get them to make happy your mom?
The step is yeah, I want to be a public speaker
Wow. Wow.
like you.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Amen. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
I want to be a public speaker
Oh wow,
and
great.
become a great public speaker.
Okay.
Like tour guide?
And what?
Tour guide?
Not to get, but
Public speaker.
public speaker.
He want to speak in
Yeah,
public,
yeah,
right?
I want to
Okay,
speak in
up.
front of
Okay.
in front of people.
Okay. Actually, we can make it proud our mom by small things, step by step, from small to medium to big, something like that. Before we get the big thing, we can start to buy small things, because even if we can make smile
Yeah.
our mom, she can happy. She can
Yeah.
happy and proud to you. And you can feel it because the vibration influence to you, and you can look her face when she smile to you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you did it?
Every day.
Every day?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yeah, because I always get up early morning and my mother see me and she smile to me.
Have you deserve something? I mean, like food to your mother. You prepare food to your mother.
No.
Have you did it?
No, yeah.
No. So what kind what kind others except deserve food? You did it to your mother. Maybe you had to say pijat. Maybe you
Yeah,
did it. Yeah.
Yeah,
And can
I
make
do
relax.
pijat, okay.
How many times you did it in your life?
Because I lazy person, so I
Very honest.
how to say, nanti pilih suruh baru dia.
Oh, oh my god. Yeah. Okay, I get the point. What about you, Mala? What will you do to make happy and proud your mom?
What do I do?
Yeah, what will?
Every day, my mom needs me.
For examples.
For example, she always wants me to go outside to, how to say, buy something.
Okay.
That's for our needs,
Okay.
actually.
Buy
But
something.
that's very heavy for me to take the things.
Do you mean go
And
to a
I-
traditional market?
Yeah, traditional market, and sometimes, do you know Top Mode? That's
Oh my
big,
god.
the biggest
You
shop.
mentioned the brand.
Yeah. I think it's okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, that's every day, but sometimes that's maybe 3 times,
Mm-hmm.
twice.
Mm-hmm.
But I think it's okay. But sometimes I say,
What about in
that's
the kitchen?
the kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I can count 1
Oh my
or 2.
god. You need to be more diligent, Mala, in the
But
kitchen.
I cannot forget when my
To
mother's
have your
sick.
mother. Okay.
I cannot forget when my mother's sick. Her leg. That's like she cannot walk, and I try to make her warm.
What do you mean she cannot walk?
She cannot walk perfectly.
Okay, sorry.
Because
okay,
of something. No, I mean, because
maybe something like incident, the past
that's like
time, something
incident.
like that.
How I don't know how to say asam urat.
Oh yeah, something in
Yeah.
physiology in organ, right? Okay, just
And
just say
I
like that.
tried to make her warm, to warm her legs. My mom, she didn't say to, can you help me to warm my legs? It becomes for myself.
So, are you initiative one?
No, I'm not.
No.
I'm not easy to care someone.
Oh,
Really.
really?
Yeah.
You are not easy to
Even-
aware. You mean
Yeah.
right? You aware?
I couldn't say that's aware,
Uh-huh.
but yeah, it just becomes from my heart.
Your case is similar with Brian also. He say in bahasa nanti disuruh baru gitu. In bahasa, no, it's
I
a
mean,
little bit different.
That's a little bit different actually.
Okay.
Because I said to my mom, if you need help, just call me. That's it.
Oh,
And she called me, Mala, could you help me? And we need to buy something outside. And
okay.
I-
You always stand by 24 hours for your mom.
Yeah, 24
if
hours,
she
because-
needs. Oh my god!
Really, but it doesn't
Awesome.
mean that I'm kind.
Mhm.
I don't think that I'm kind. Just because
Do
of
not mention
I,
it.
No. Really, that's pure from me, from my heart.
Okay. Okay, I get the point. Rian, I have a question.
What?
How do you feel when your mom is too authoritarian or too wise to you? How do you think?
What do you mean? Why?
How if your mom too authoritarian or too wise? How if?
Do you mean my mom always push me to do
Yeah,
something?
or too wise? There are two opposite here. I say, how do you think if your mom too wise or too authoritarian? Which one is happen to you between you and your mom? Too authoritarian or too wise or to enjoy? Because there is mom something like that, right? To enjoy, to authoritarian and to wise, right? Okay, which one is your mom?
My mom is
Which side?
too wise maybe.
Oh, too
Yeah,
wise.
Yeah.
Okay, so what the effect to you? what the effect to you if she is too wise?
Yeah, the effect to me, yeah, I become a wise man.
Oh, giving applause. Okay, so the effect to you is be wise man.
Yes.
Because your mom is too wise to you.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I will visit your house tomorrow and meet your mom.
But really, his mom is very kind.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, I will visit for twice to your home because last time is the first time for me to visit your house, right?
And,
okay.
And in that time, there is no my mom.
Oh yeah, because I didn't saw her.
Yeah,
I didn't saw when I when I first came to your home, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what about you, Mala? How do you think? How do you feel when if your mom too authoritarian or too wise or maybe too enjoy? What the effect to you?
What the effect?
If your mom maybe too authoritarian or too enjoy or too wise, what the effect to you?
Actually, my mom is not authoritarian person. Only my father.
Okay.
And I'm stronger than my mom. I mean,
so what is your mom? Because you say is not authoritarian, so it means that too wise or to enjoy?
Not to enjoy. She just tell me it could be better. It could be better if you.
Democratis. Your mom is democratis.
I couldn't say that she is authority or a democratis.
Okay, let us deal. What? Mix. Combine of democratis and authoritarian to us or to enjoy, mix of them, right? You still difficult to mention it.
That's only one thing that I have. What I wanna say. I'm stronger than my mom. Not strong physically, but
mentally, maybe.
Mentally,
yeah.
When my mother always be shy. I'm afraid of blah 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 blah. I'm afraid of maybe you cannot do it. And come on, mom, you have to support me. I really want to get my dream.
Okay.
Don't do that.
Okay.
I don't like it. If I don't like something, I tell my mom.
Okay. And sorry, what is a reaction of your mom when you tell what do you want to say to your mom?
I give you one example. When when I asked my mother, can I be a tour guide?
Okay.
A tour guide is I explain her. This is my dream. I want to be. I want to go around the world. Blah 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 blah. And my mother just say, if I were you, I don't want because I'm a girl.
Okay.
I'm still young, so I don't want to go outside without my family. That's it.
Okay. It means that it's depend on situation, right? What response your mom gave, it depend on the situation. Okay. Right?
Yep.
Yeah. Because it's difficult to mention what kind or categories of your mom is to authoritarian or to democratic, to wise, to enjoy or what. Yeah. Yeah, we still have time to listen Smart FM. Actually, we also again to invite the smart listeners to hear or listen and watch on YouTube channel in Smart FM. And yeah, this is a very interesting actually because mom is everything.
Yeah,
mom is everything. We cannot stand here speaking here, discuss here without mom, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And next, I wanna ask you, what is the conclusion actually? What is the conclusion of our discussion? And if your mom listen this program or watch this program, what do you want to say to her? But the first is just conclude first, and after that, say anything you want to say to your mom. Okay. From you, Mr. Brian, what is the
Okay.
conclusion?
Okay, the conclusion of this topic, I just want to say, uh, don't make your mother angry. Don't make her cry, and try to protect her, uh, and be how to say be how to say
Always.
always be brave
Mhm.
in front of your mom.
Okay. What about you, Mala? What is conclusion of your statement when we discussion about Happy Mother's Day in today?
My conclusion is when we make our
You still can
mother,
breathe even you wearing mask. That's good. Okay, continue, please. Sorry.
even though we've ever made our moms cried, it
Okay.
doesn't mean that we're not good. We're not. We don't try to do the best.
Mm-hmm.
But the most important is you have to remember that your mom was born you.
Okay.
This word.
Yeah, you have to make her happy,
Mm-hmm.
but it doesn't mean that you never make her cry.
Okay.
I think it's impossible if you never quarrel with your mom.
Mm-hmm. Go on.
But it doesn't mean you don't have any sin.
Okay.
Yeah, nobody's perfect.
Yeah. We always say
Yeah,
like
just
that.
do the best.
Mm-hmm.
Just make her proud of you. Yeah, not like what I've done to my mom.
Okay.
Not always quarrel just because of
Kill it.
simple things.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
And what you want to say if your mom listen or see you on YouTube channel is Smart FM? What do you want to say? Just imagine. What do you want to say?
Just imagine your mom is
Actually,
in front of you.
One day I really want to hug my mom, and my mom told me,
Yeah.
"Don't do that. That's too much.
Okay. Okay.
You're not kid anymore."
Okay.
I think I don't need to say anything to my mom.
Okay, because you are speechless, right?
No.
Is it? No? Yeah, come on.
I want to hug my mom, but my mother told me that's too much.
Okay, I get a point. I get a point for that. Next is conclusion, because we have a tell about conclusion, and now is idiom and vocabularies. Do you have some idioms or vocabularies? Two of them need to mention to smart listeners. Yeah, who wants the first? Okay, Mala, which one is the first idiom or vocabularies?
It's not idiom, but it's romantic words from my mom.
Okay, you may.
Can I?
Come on. Okay.
Okay, mother hold their children's hands for a while, but their hearts forever. And the meaning is
Oh, so sweet. Oh my God.
Ibu menggenggam kedua tangan anak-anaknya untuk sesaat, tapi hati menggenggamnya selamanya.
Wow. Give me applause for Mala.
I really like these words.
Okay, what about the words? Do you have a words? I mean, vocabularies to smart listeners. Do you have it? What about Brian? Do you have a idiom or vocabulary that you can spread or mention to smart listeners?
I have one vocab for you
Okay.
about mother, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. The first is carrying,
What is that?
menjaga,
Okay.
and hug,
Mm-hmm.
memeluk.
Okay.
What else?
What about idioms? They have idioms.
Maybe later.
Okay. Did you found Mala your idioms?
My Indian,
Uh-huh.
I don't have. That's only romantic words from my mom.
Okay.
Romantic.
Okay. For me, I have my idioms for today. Happy Mother's Day is a sacrifice. It means that pengorbanan.
Okay.
Yeah. Um. Um. Lovely, tersayang.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
Oh.
And everything. Mom is everything. Ibu adalah segalanya. That's for me. And I think that's all for from us. Thank you from BPC. Thank you, Mala.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Brian, for coming. Thank you for coming tonight on
Thank you.
Smart FM, Smart Up Your Life. And I want to say thank you so much for Smart FM listener. See you in next week. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.